After viewing, be sure to subscribe and like it. Stromboli Volcano is a small volcanic island with an active volcano. It is located in the Tyrrhenian Sea, north of Sicily, and belongs to the group of the Liparian Islands. The island belongs to Italy. The name comes from the rounded convex shape of the island, with a diameter of about 4 kilometers. The area of the island is 12.5 square kilometer. The Stromboli volcano is continuously active and is famous for its frequent small eruptions observed from various points on the island and the surrounding sea. The last large eruption occurred on April 13, 2009. The height of the volcano is 926 m above sea level and over 2,000 m above the seabed. Has 3 active craters. On the northwestern slope is Sierra del Fuoco stream of fire, a horseshoe-shaped depression caused by multiple collapses of the cone over the past 13,000 years. 2 kilometers northeast of Stromboli is the rock of Strombolicchio, the remnant of the original volcano. The island is a tourist attraction. Tourists in organized groups make a hike to the top of the volcano to observe its activities. The population of the island ranges from 400 to 850 people. Stromboli volcano eruption is one almost uninterrupted eruption that has lasted for the past 20,000 years. This type, called Strombolian, is characterized by small to moderate explosions at the top of the crater at intervals ranging from a few minutes to 1 hour, on average, 15 to 20 minutes. As a rule, the eruption leads to a short, lasting for a few seconds, emission of volcanic bombs to a height of several tens to hundreds of meters, as well as ash and gases. Often the gases are released without ash in the form of white clouds. At night, thanks to the illumination from below by the lava, they can be seen at long distances, thanks to which Stromboli is called the lighthouse of the Mediterranean. Stromboli eruptions are mostly explosive. Lava outpourings are rare. The last one was in 2002, 17 years after the last eruption. Volcanic emissions, ash, bombs and lava fall in Sierra del Fuoco, so it is not recommended to go close or to swim near this place. Since Sierra del Fuoco is covered with many meters of ash and rocks, it is common to see landslides and rockfalls. Catastrophic eruptions are very rare at Stromboli. The last of these occurred in 1930, resulting in the death of several people and the destruction of some homes by volcanic bombs. The intervals between major eruptions vary from several years to decades. One such occurred in 2002, resulting in the closure of the island to non-residents for several months and the evacuation of residents. The eruption began on December 29, 2002 with an outpouring of lava along the edge of Sierra del Fuoco, which quickly reached the sea. And on December 30, 2002, a huge fragment broke away from Sierra del Fuoco, triggering at least 2 landslides and several tsunami waves. The largest of these reached 10 meters in height, severely damaging a coastal village. On April 5, 2003, a powerful explosion at the top of the crater threw out a piece of rock that destroyed several structures in the village of Ginostra. The eruption stopped in July 2003. Volcanic activity resumed on November 10, 2020. Geological history. Approximately 200,000 years ago, before Stromboli reached sea level, there was an active underwater volcano located slightly northeast of the present-day position of the island. Stromboli Island emerged above sea level about 160,000 years ago at the southernmost part of the modern island. During this time, the volcano in the northeastern part became inactive and eroded. Its remnant is Strombolicchio, a rock composed of basalt blocks. Lava flows and pyroclastic deposits successively formed the stratovolcano until about 50,000 BC. When the active center of the volcano moved slightly to the northwest, forming a cone about 700 meters above sea level. Volcanic bombs and landslide deposits along with pyroclastic flows formed the Scary Complex to the northeast, which was flooded with basaltic lava from about 20,000 to 13,000 BC. By this time a large crater or caldera probably existed,